Hi everyone, today I'm special reviewing this drone. This is the Autel EVO Lite Plus. This is the specific model number, the MDX M2, and in today's video I will be reviewing this drone product, the pros and cons of it, including why this is probably one of my favorite drones out there at the certain price point that it is at. If you haven't, please press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel. And let's jump into it, guys. First and foremost, why I like this one and why I purchased it is due to the amount of batteries it comes with. Look at this. It's coming with basically 4 batteries that come with it. This is phenomenal. And each of these batteries go for about 45 minutes. And I have tested it out. They do go for 45 minutes. Now, if you are using the drone very aggressively, that battery capacity and time frame will go down. But for the most part, I've noticed it lasting that amount of time. This is one of the chargers that it comes with, and the great thing about this is this: you're able to charge 3 at the same time. And the benefit of that is you don't have to wait till one finishes. You'll have 3 of them already charged, ready to go by the morning or day of. There's also in the app, when you download the Autel drone app, it provides the ability to also optimize battery charging. So if you want to be able to have a longevity for these batteries, the app to download, and I can leave a link down below if you guys are interested, provides that ability. Let's jump into the drone itself. It's a very lightweight drone. You can see right here there's a variety of different sensors on it, bottom, top, you name it, and this is the plastic covering for it that can be removed. But you can see right there, this is a very nice sensor on this camera. 6K f2.8 1-inch ultra sensor. This is really nice, really good, and it does have the lights you can see right there that do light up right here on the sides that provide the ability to see it at night or during the day. You do have to use this remote control. Very easy. You just put your cell phone right up here. I have had no trouble utilizing it for my iPhone and also for a Samsung Ultra phone. It will get very tight with the Ultra phone, so just keep that in mind. But regardless, it's a very nice controller. Has a nice little grippy area right here on the edges. Has a charging port area right here on the bottom. To connect it to the phone, you just have to, and it comes in there. It comes in the package. Different type of charger. So you've got a micro USB, you've got a iPhone to USB-C, and you've got a USB-C to USB-C cable. So it's nice that they already give you these 3 different cables right out the box. It's really nice to do that, and it's phenomenal. These joysticks right here, they have a very nice tactile feel. They're metal to the touch. I like how this feels like a nice quality remote control instead of like a cheap maybe video game control, to say the least. In terms of charging, you do it right here on the bottom. You can be able to power on and power off the remote control from here. Let me go ahead and power it on right here. You can see it's full battery. It's blinking all lights. Another thing I like about this is it gives you an indicator right here of your battery life. So if it's lower, it's going to give you that ability to see that so you can charge it. Let's see what else we got. We've got some extra accessories, which are the blades. So they give you some extra blades that come with it. These are very nice, lightweight. The drone is very lightweight in itself. If you want to be able to open it, keep in mind there's a certain way to open it. So let me go ahead and put this out, and then put this way out. So basically this front one goes first, and then the second one on the back goes second, and that goes for the same on the other side. You can see right here, this is like a carbon fiber material that they have. Let me put the light on. Very nice, very lightweight. I'm happy that they made a more of a lightweight material. So the lighter it is, the easier it is for the battery to last longer, the easier for this drone to stay up in flight as well. You also have, it comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. It comes with a nice baggie right here. This is a nice baggie that it came with. I was really surprised to get this with it. You can see right here, this is some of the information regarding it. Very nice, very nice. And you can see right here, there's some additional items. Let me go ahead and pull it out right here. By the way, nice fabric inside, very soft, very comfortable. Let me go ahead and show you right here. Another nice goodie they provided you are these lenses that go right in the front. And you may ask, well, why does it need another lens? Well, these are different types of lenses. So you want some type of polarized lens to put on top of it, you have that ability. And you can see right here, this is one of the lenses. It has a nice little filter, nice metal casing around it. Overall, you can see right here if the light is giving a little different spectrum. Overall, very nice that they provide this. I'm very happy that they did provide this. You also have a nice little microfiber cloth with the logo on the top of it. Overall, I think this is a phenomenal deal. Costco has this for roughly $1,000 as this bundle. And to be honest with you, I think this is more bang for your buck, because the DJI, drones that they have out there, they're very nice. I've had them as well, and I've utilized them. They're phenomenal drones, but you don't get all these batteries with it. Again, the deal is, in my opinion, with the Autel, and I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested to check out the product. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Happy to answer them. Happy to do a additional review if you want me to go into detail with any of the specifics. Happy to do so here on the channel. With that said, thanks for watching, and check you guys out on the next video.